Hello, hello, people. How are you doing today? Good morning and happy Friday. So, yeah, we have a green Titan, green Goblin King, 4-star Titan. By the way, we did not beat the 5-star Titan, it was too much for our alliance. Yeah, so that was very unfortunate. So, we are back to a 4-star Goblin King. So, let's try to beat that. That's my team. I think I'm gonna keep it 700. 799. Yes, I can take Bull Tusk from now on. And let's go. Oh, I've done this wrong. Thirty thousand seven ninety two. It's not bad. See, that's the mistake I made. How do you put your heroes um, on which side? It's also very important because now look, Sir Lancelot gives 48% attack to nearby allies and 24% mana generation. So I want that 48% attack to be maximized by putting Yang Mai next to him, and not Bull Tusk. So it's very important that way. So just need to make a few changes, and then if you put it in the form order that you fire them, then it makes a big difference. It saves you a lot of time. So for example, Bull Tusk healer attack up, then we got Wilbur defense down, then Guardian Falcon elemental defense down, Sir Lancelot sniper, and Yang Mai sniper. So let's change the troops, and let's start again. Mm-hmm. Mm. 30 to 990. And our last flag. Oh my god, so much crap here. See, the mana generation trick from Yang Mai. It's absolutely amazing. It's just not coming. Love to get a board with a bit of bit more reds, but it's just not happening today. I think the boards lately for Titan has been really like very painfully difficult. $33,084. So yeah, our three flags was equivalent to 104,866. It's okay. Didn't get really good red tiles on all of them, not like good cascades or anything, so it's not much you can do. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely day and see you later. Bye.